Yep, we've got a storm coming through. I'm saying, thank God. As long as I don't lose any trees, I'm happy because we need the rain. I've consolidated all my water catchment. I've got that pool out there that I got for the grandkids. They're gone now. And I've been filling it up. I've got tubs and things over there to catch water. I've got my regular rain catchment set up. So hopefully if I catch enough rain, I'll be able to weather this upcoming dry spell that they're predicting. According to Weatherman Plus, who I trust and watch regularly, we're in for a dry spell. And so I'm kind of trying to be preemptive and collect all the rain I can right now. Collect it and stockpile it. This guy loves this stuff. He says, woohoo, come on, rain. Oh, there goes a pot. Yeah, it's pretty windy. I went ahead and lit a lamp, coal oil lamp. Went ahead and lit one just because the lights have blinked like 3 times. And that way I don't have to hunt for matches or any of that kind of stuff. Anyway, wish me luck. This is my new Tennessee home. I'm Joe, and I'll talk to y'all later.